So you start a semen retention practice, and after a few days you relapse and you feel bad about it, because it's been 6 months that you're trying to do semen retention for a certain amount of days and it just doesn't work for you. You're always relapsing. So in today's video I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience with relapsing and how I overcame it and became a fucking monk of semen retention. If you relapse and you feel terribly bad about it, I totally understand. When I started to do semen retention, the first 1 or 2 years, I couldn't literally do 7 days straight without ejaculating. Every time I was trying, I was just failing, yeah? So it's very normal to fail, especially at the beginning, and you don't have to feel bad about it, yeah? Now, you need to understand the reasons of you failing, right? And I'm gonna show you that right now. First, I want you to really understand, why do you relapse? Why is it happening? How is it happening? And when exactly is it happening? There's so many reasons why you will relapse, right? You might be very depressed, yeah? And that might be the reason why you relapse. You might lack of love from someone, right? And because you need to feel good about yourself a little bit, you relapse, right? There's so many reasons why you will relapse, yeah? And you need to understand really deeply why, yeah? I always ask this question to my students. Why? Because the more you ask why, the more you understand yourself, the more you understand the reasons of you acting from an ego perspective instead of a compassion, love perspective. Yeah. Now that you know why you relapse, I want you to ask yourself this question. What can you do about the why? What is something that pops up when you respond the why? Yeah? So that might be, having a conversation with a certain person and opening up about that, for example, right? Or that might be having a conversation with your mom, with your dad, with your best friend, with your girlfriend maybe, I don't know. There's something that you need to be doing. And I really want you to understand that on a really deep level and actually do it. I don't care if you're scared or not, just fucking do it. And the last thing you want to do or understand is really diving deep into the benefits of semen retention and knowing that this can potentially change your life. This is something that will change you. And if you truly believe that, if you truly integrate that within you and you really believe that this is something that is going to change you fully, I can assure you that you would look at relapse as something like, terrible, and you wouldn't let that happen, yeah? So I actually made a video about the benefits, 8 benefits that semen retention do. I want you to look at it if you haven't watched it yet. And with that video, I can assure you that you understand the power of semen retention and what it can do for you. And after that, if you still relapse, you can join my Facebook group. There's a semen retention challenge that can give you accountability. It's for free. I think a lot of people received massive help from that. And if you haven't watched it yet, please do it. And I will post more videos on YouTube, so subscribe, and see you soon. Peace.